Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walked Crystals, and today we're going to do a little experiment where we're going to look at different energies or the amount of energies that come off different shapes that we can get within the crystal forms. So I'm going to come and get the camera and hopefully work the camera and the pendulum at the same time. So let's have a look what we've got here first. We've got a small rose quartz tumbler stone there. We've got a clear quartz sphere. We've got a carnelian pyramid, an agate obelisk, clear quartz point, a small amethyst druze, 3 different types of points. We've got a double terminated point there, a small one. We've got a laser quartz point there and an ordinary quartz point there. And here we've got a clear quartz skull and an celestial quartz, and finally a Lemurian wand at the top there. So if we come back down to the bottom and I take my pendulum and hopefully come back a bit so you can see what I'm doing. If I bring the pendulum in over the tumble stone, you'll see it's starting to move. Very gentle circle there over it. So if we then move it up to the quartz sphere and hold it over that, you see the energy circulates a lot wider with the quartz sphere there, because the energy comes out in all different directions when you've got a sphere, so it can fill the room. And if we move up to the pyramid, just stop it for a minute. There's the energy coming off the pyramid, another nice energy form there. It's a bit different sort of energy, I think, than the sphere. This is sort of going out in, not quite sure which direction it's going in. And it obviously builds up energy as it stays there. And if we go over the obelisk, this is a lot taller, and so the energy has more space to get bigger or to increase. And you can see that the pendulum is moving a lot wider with the obelisk than it is with the pyramid. And then if we take it over the point there, this is a generator point, so this generates energy. So again, this gives a good energy coming off it there, good stable energy. And then if we move up to the druze, of course we've got lots of points coming off the druze, which should give us a good energy there again. And then if we look at the differences with the quartz points, if we go into the normal single quartz point there, there's quite a small circle coming off the energy, but no doubt it is got energy with it, but it's quite small. If we then bring it up to the laser quartz, that's going a lot quicker and a lot wider. And if we bring it up to the double terminated, even though this is smaller, the energy builds up between the 2 points there, giving it a good circle. And then moving up to this skull, just stop it a minute. And the skull gives a really good, strong energy as well, because the energy builds up within the crown of the skull. You can see it's quite a strong energy there with the skull. And moving up to the celestial quartz has got one major point there and lots of little points. So again, this will be a high energy crystal. You can see it building up there. good. That's a really strong energy coming off that celestial quartz. And lastly, if I just move these pillows a little bit, this is a Lemurian quartz point. It's rather large. And I'm going to take the pendulum up higher because the pillow is there. And see if I can whiz it out. You can see this is an amazing crystal. It's got record keepers and it's a trans-channeler. And that has got amazing energy with it. And this is an experiment you can do at home with your own crystals. So I'll just pop the pendulum down there. Give you one last look at these. And it was just an ordinary quartz pendulum that I was using. Different types of crystals here. And as I said, you can do this at home with your own shapes that you've got at home and just experiment and see what sort of energy comes off the different shapes. What it feels like. Does it feel gentle or strong? Is it stable or is it going in different directions? If you want to know more about crystals, please visit us at spiritwalkercrystals.com.